Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI on your S25 Ultra. First, ensure your S25 Ultra software is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Next, locate the AI features within your phone's settings menu. You'll find a dedicated section for intelligent assistants. We'll then explore how to enable and customize these powerful tools to fit your personal needs, making your device even smarter and more efficient. To activate Gemini AI, begin by opening your S25 Ultra's settings application. Scroll down until you see an option labeled Advanced Features or AI Assistant. Tap on this to enter the AI configuration menu. Here, you will find a toggle switch to enable Gemini AI. Make sure to read and accept the terms of service to complete the activation process. It's a quick setup that unlocks incredible capabilities. Once activated, Gemini AI offers a range of helpful features. For instance, you can use it for intelligent photo enhancements, receiving suggestions to improve your pictures. It also provides real-time language translation, making communication across different languages much easier. Furthermore, Gemini can quickly summarize lengthy articles or documents, saving you valuable time. Explore these tools to streamline your daily digital interactions. To get the most out of Gemini AI, remember to customize its permissions according to your preferences. This ensures it operates exactly how you want it to. Also, keep an eye out for regular software updates, as these often introduce exciting new features and improvements. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals we've curated just for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.